Boniface Mwangi Kariuki uria wakorirwo akirathwo mururungano-ini wa Justice for Albert Ojwang onake ni arikia gukorwo akihuruka. Uhoro uyu wakorwo ukirekererio ni family spokesman uria makorirwo makiaria haria mena Gathoni wa Wamuchomba. Very sad scenes.
Good evening everyone. I hope you are well. My name is Wandera. Yesterday we were here. Today now we are here with another news. Yesterday we were being informed that he was brain dead. Whereby we were supposed to be told to wait until his heart called again by the hospital whereby we came. And the report that we were given is that Boniface is no longer with us. So Boniface is gone now. It's officially now. And so far we are pleading for Kenyans to have a lot of services over again. So far the bill is at 3.7 million.
Boniface Kariuki arathirwo na ona ndari mururungano ndari part of the protesters endagia mask ngwicira muthenya ucio onete kahua ni keru ga kwendia mask na harakati-ini icio agicemania na mutino uria watumire akorwo na gunshot wound mutwe-ini. Ntuonire Boniface Mwangi agitwarwo nginya agikuo ni protesters na agitwarwo thibitari na akoretwo under life support for all that time. Niekirwo surgery na tukirwo brain matter itigarite 2 out of 15. Bado hena parts cia bullet citarutitwo mutwe-ini. So it was a very critical condition. Juzi Sunday tukirwo ati he is now brain dead. Hakiri ciake ni nguo. Atha icio arari in a very bad state. Muthenya wa muthi Monday thaa 9 na dakika 15 niguo akorirwo akihuruka. May that comrade rest in peace. Ni uhoro urakorwo ukitumura ndereti imwe nene muno ya police brutality. Na after that time netuonete very many things unfolding. Netuonete cabinet secretary wa interior akiuga ati mundu wothe uronekana police station ena intentions citari njega akorwo akirathwo. Being seconded by akina Oscar Sudi, those allies William Ruto nio mararikia ukorwo makiuga uguo, and it is funny how they are even confirming. Muthenya wa muthi bado ntwarikia ukorwo tukiona Kipchumba Murkomen akiconfirm uhoro ucio.
Mungetumia bunduki kupiga hao asingekuwa na shida kabisa. Si mmesikia hata leo nimetangazia kila mtu kwa Kenya. Sio ati ni siri tena. Nimesema askari mwenye atasumbuliwa ati anapelekwa kotini kwa sababu alitumia bunduki kujichunga ama kuchunga police station ama kuchunga bunge ama kuchunga government office kotini ama wapi, mtu akijaribu kwanza hawezi, because hatuta cooperate. We will not cooperate with anybody who is trying to punish police officers who have done their job or protect themselves, protect their life. Hakuna haitawezekana. Ya pili, police officer mwenye atakuwa na shida yote tutamchukulia wakili. Hakuna vile tutawacha ati police officer hangaike tu peke yake. Na mtaona hiyo maneno ikisonga. Wala tu usitumie sasa hii nafasi useme haya kwa sababu nitachungwa, acha niende nitembelee jirani hapo ni test. Hapana. Yani you already know kwa your standing orders what it means. Situation kama hii hata watu 10 ngapi wangeumizwa, hakuna shida. Because ungefanyia nini sasa police station kama hii? Ana sasa hasara imeenda, bunduki imeenda, slaves imechomeka, watu wameumia na wananchi sasa wangewao.
So showing how serious they are on this. But did Boniface Kariuki deserve to die? Thigari acio marakorwo makimuratha thaicira no urathi na mbere kuri igoti-ini, but the truth is that Boniface Kariuki is dead. Thaici atigite bill ya 3.7 million kuringana uria mwiritu ucio akorwo akiuga, something that they will really struggle to raise nigetha makorwo magithika mwana wao, the only boy they had. After how netuona Gathoni wa Wamuchomba ni akorwo akirekereria information very critical, tondu akorwo akiuga ati muthenya uria tuonire thigari cithiete gucera kwa aciari a Boniface Kariuki ni makorwo makiaria na family yo na makimera matigakorwo magithi ku report.
Tonight we are demanding the following. 1. IPOA, can you tell us the official position of this case now that the family has not registered any statement because they have not been allowed to do so? And if you have the courage, why can't you go to Kangema and register the statement, or you accommodate? We can even bring them now to register the statement. We are willing to bring them to whatever police station you want us to bring them, so that we can officially have a valid case. Please note, without the family statement, there is no valid case. Could it be munapanga hii kesi ipotele? I'm just asking.
Do you know what that means? That means that there is no complainant in this case. Todo Boniface KARIUKI already niahuruka. There is no complainant, like directly affected complainant. Modo gifuatira shiroshio weka. So that is showing that shiroshio ogodira just before it even starts. Na to ugo arauga to family ya Boniface KARIUKI. Hena family ige mena the same case, but they have either been barred from going to report, either ni magirireirio gukorwo magithi gukorwo makiandikithia statement, kana ni makanetio. Begging the question of why will that happen? Why will that happen? Nĩ maũndũ maingĩ mũno marathi na mbere na gũkorwo makĩyumĩria na case ici cia abductions na police brutality, na nĩ maũndũ megũthi na mbere na gũkorwo makĩarĩrĩrio nginya solution yonekane. Remember that ũyũ ti ũndũ tũngĩona atĩ mũtongoria ũmwe nĩetwo nĩ maria harĩa masaini maratathi. This has to have a solution, because Gen Z matirĩ na mũtongoria, matirĩ na mũndũ ũrama-lead, na koguo there has to be some way of doing things that has never happened before. Before tumenyerete tribal lines na maũndũ macio mothe, but this time, so that these killings can end, there has to be a solution. Nidio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story, as well as typing rest in peace Boniface KARIUKI.
The family pay bill is 7682551. Account, it's your name. The name that it will reflect is Boniface Mwangi KARIUKI Medical Fund.
You can repeat again for the second time.
Repeating again, the pay bill is 7682551. Account, it's your name. The name that it will reflect is Boniface Mwangi KARIUKI Medical Fund. Thank you.
No any other account?
No,
No phone number, no nothing.
That's the pay bill.
Thank you.
Yes.